From the party HTS lay councillor, it's when we do testing emphakathini.
HIV and AIDS testing.
Yes, HIV and AIDS testing, whereby she provide nama medication, whereby mhlambe mangabe utestile positive, we will refer you with immediate effect. We asikulindisi, and then we at clinic, then they'll do the assess medication. How does it go? How does it work? Uphuza isikhathini and kumele kangujama. Si engage nale PrEP, i-PrEP whereby sikunika mangabe unomuntu oyipartner mhlambe uhlala naye endlini, whether umuntu wesifazane or wesilisa, mangabe u-HIV positive, that's when siku-engage ukuthi no, from this stage as a partner yakho ikule condition so we figure out ukuthi for i-protection i-life yakho mhlambe ibe khona ibe stable, we will advise ukuthi uthathe i-PrEP to i-partner yakho because of positive. And i-PrEP, in most cases, I usually tell my clients ukuthi i-PrEP it's help, but mawuzoyiphuza as babakutshelile ama-instruction waseclinic. I usually say to the client, iphuze for 28 days, ibe ku-system. That's when mayiku-system yakho, that's when izo intellect through i-system yakho. Yeah.